If you want to know how to buy shares of Hexagon Purus ASA, this quick guide shows the main steps. Hexagon Purus ASA focuses on hydrogen storage and electrification solutions and trades on Euronext under ticker HPUR.OL, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. We'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker HPUR.OL to find Hexagon Purus ASA. Confirm you select the Euronext listed HPUR.OL result to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, review basic company information alongside the price chart to see recent movements. Make sure the company name, exchange Euronext, and ticker HPUR.OL match to confirm it is the right listing. Click the trade or buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review and confirm the order to submit it. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. After the purchase, the new position will appear in your portfolio showing quantity and current value. For the eToro link and more details, check the description below.